Welcome to the video tutorial about miscellaneous features in Water Distribution module in ESurvey Water. Although we have discussed various features of ESurvey Water Distribution in the previous help topics, learning the following miscellaneous items will help you much more. Topics you will be learning in this video include ESurvey Water Common Settings, Common Icons of Water Distribution Module, Default Settings. First, you will learn about ESurvey Water Common Settings. When you create drawings in ESurvey Water, you may wish to use a specific type of SHX font for text entities. By default, only the fonts available in Windows Font folder are listed in the software. Select the Common Settings menu available under Tools menu. In Common Settings window, you can see the font folder. If you add more fonts to this folder, then all those new fonts will be available for applying to the text entities. Next, you will learn about common icons in water distribution. Just above the drawing window, you can see a set of icons. Each of them has different functionality, and whenever you hover the pointer over these icons, you can see the respective tool tip. In the Input Alignment window, 6 icons are common. The Zoom Extends icon centers all visible objects in an active perspective or orthographic viewport. This control is useful when you want to see every object in a scene in a single viewport. Zoom Out icon enables you to zoom in and out. Refresh icon allows you to refresh a drawing with update changes. Settings icon allows you to open the settings window and define different settings. Save drawing icon allows you to save the drawing into a CAD file format and can be opened in your default CAD package. In the default settings window, you can change settings and work on a project as explained in one of the previous topics. You may be working with specific types of projects. In such cases, select Default Settings and define all your preferred settings. After doing default setting changes, if you create a new file, all the settings in new projects will be reflecting the value set in the default settings. After creating a new file, only specific changes in that project can be applied in settings screen. Thus, default settings help you work faster. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, you have learned miscellaneous items related to water distribution module.